We would like to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Sonic Electronics, so check them out for great deals on speakers, head units, amps, subs, wiring, etc. Use discount code PROVOBEAST for an instant 5% off your next purchase during checkout. PROVOBEAST here doing another unboxing here today. Today we're going to unbox this Voxx 13.3 inch flip down DVD screen. We're going to show you exactly what comes with this kit, where we ordered it, and really show you some of the features as we prepare to get this installed. Now, in the description, we're going to go ahead and put a link where we installed the screen in the event you're looking to put one in yourself. So let's go ahead and get this all unboxed for you to show you what it comes with. Alright, so we went ahead and pulled everything apart out of that box. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is it came with all different colors. Depending on the interior headliner color, you can actually match it. There's 3 different colors, a black, gray, and more of a beige color. Then we actually have our DVD player itself, a flip down screen. And lastly, here's some of the bits and pieces. We have our power wire, ground wire, our instructions, some mounting hardware, and then our little harnesses depending on the application that you have. It has a video out, a video in, and an adapter for the exterior plugs. Over here we have our mounting plate. This mounting plate will be important as we mount this to the roof of the car. Now finally here, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the actual screen. Now we have our DVD slot on one side. Now on the other side, we have an AV input, hence why we use this extra adapter. We have a USB input and an HDMI input as well. For the buttons up front, they're upside down here. Alright, and there's the screen itself. Now you can wire up these dome lights to your factory dome lights, allowing you to retain that door open, door close light feature. If you have any questions about this install, just go and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.